Hello guys, welcome to Learner. Today we are gonna learn about the pivot table. Don't skip any parts, all steps are equally important. Stay till the end, there is a bonus for you. There are 701 unarranged data and we are arranging them today using pivot table function. This row is the title of pivot table. We are gonna filter according to the segment, country and product. This is the pivot table that we are creating today. So let's start guys. This data has been downloaded from Microsoft's official website. So you can download it from there. I'll leave the link in the description. First of all, select all data, but it is in tables so it will work without selecting them. If you don't make the table, you have to select the whole data. So let's continue by selecting them and click the insert and click on pivot table. Now dialog box will open. Here is the range of the table. Look at this. We had created the table, so we have gotten table names here. But if you aren't using table, you will see the table range here in the table or range box. Now we have to keep the location where we want to put the data. There are two options: creating new sheet or insert it into the same sheet. We are going to keep them in same sheet, so we are selecting an existing worksheet and give the location where we want to put the data. We are going to put it in the Real2 cell and now select OK to continue. This is the pivot table field, and here we can choose the title in required order, so check the desired field. We are gonna filter according to segment, country and product, so we are keeping it in the row field. Look at this now, the data has been filtered in the arranged form. As you look at the table, data is filtered according to the segment, country and product as you need. Now we are going to add the different values. Now check the other remaining data. See here guys, it has automatically summed all the values, but the unit price of manufacturing and the sales price are auto summed. But we have to clear this out. To change it, click on this down arrow that is in the right side of the desired column name. Click on it and this dialog box will open up. And now click on average and click OK. Let's do the same for manufacturing column. Now let's make some formatting guys. Some of you may know this is the bonus to my viewers. You can see here the value is in the general form. Let's change it into accounting form. It's easy guys. Select the column that you want to make the accounting form for by holding Ctrl, Shift and right arrow and Ctrl, Shift and down arrow to select the whole data to the right bottom and click on the comma or accounting here in the number format. Enjoy guys, see you in next video with another interesting topic. See you soon. Enjoy learning.